Wow, go on, my beautiful people. Wow, go on. Hey, people, may I tell you now, we're on a food journey, and yo, I'm so grateful for all of the comments I receive. You know, people just drop in the comments whether it be good, whether it be bad. Like, read all of the comments, read comments, and we learn I go along the way. So people just drop in the comments. Please remember to give the videos a thumbs up whenever you tune in. Like, crazy vibes, and we're on some food journeys in at the morning, so top of the morning, or afternoon, or night, or evening, midday, anytime when I watch this. Bless upon yourself. Make your life there again with another crazy food vibes. You know, like, people, look at this. Crazy vibes. I'm telling you when I'm there right now at Ambassador Bar and Grill. Crazy vibes again. And people, this is right across from the United States Embassy. Again, we find a hidden street vibes restaurant, cook shop where crazy vibes, and it's like maybe about after 8 in the morning now, and chef the inside, you know, I go and get some of the thing them ready up and things. So people, I gotta do the right thing and show you some real nice food today. We'll come with the belly, I don't know. Crazy vibes, and I'm on the hot still, but you know I gotta do the right thing. I have the ear net right there, so I gotta drop on the ear net and go in the kitchen and see what I go on. Like, I'm legit at the corner of the complex, literally at the corner, and look upon this space like a whole heap of parking lot. There is the kitchen right over there, so, and at this part you have the bar, but the bar is not open yet, as I say it's early in the morning, but you don't know chef inside of the kitchen, and you can hear look chopping up a go on and things. So crazy vibes, so just stay up on the journey with me. They're here for showing you the real Jamaican vibes cooking. So you know the style. Let's talk in. We are going to the kitchen right now and see what the chef up to. I don't know the style. Wow, that was quick. Right in the kitchen. Oh, it's a pork, the short man. People, short man, this is not the place, you know. Short man, take out a... Yeah, short is chef around town, people. Chef take out a piece of pork where almost bigger than him. Look at that, people. Crazy vibes in the morning here. Whoa. How are this over here, sir, chef? Have some... have some mutton right here, sir. Alright. Nice mutton there, so I have some fish on there too. Fish on there on the menu today. Alright, people, we're in for your vibes today. Crazy vibes in the morning. There's some nice, pretty sliced fish over here, so some mutton in the water here, so short man just cut them up. And look at this right here, so some nice pork. What a piece of pork, man. Hell yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, man, nice, people. So fish the right there, so I go and thaw out. You have some nice mutton here, so this I go curry down to the short man. Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Can't wait to see that. And fish right there, so pork right there, so I chop up. Look at that. Oh, you go manage this short man, man. Peas and peas, okay, extra tough. Nice. Why this have to go out, look more short man, so people. Crazy vibes today. We can't wait to see what go on in the kitchen here. Beautiful vibes. The fish just right there, so just land right there, so natural vibes in the morning here. Yeah, man. Sharp man there, so I get some water on the pork, you know. Make it go and thaw out little. Cause and a normal something this to chop up, you know, man. Yeah, man. Alright. Okay, let's go with you. Okay. Nice. I actually pass and smell the food, you know. I pass and smell the food in a short man and I say, no sir. Oh, I smell so over here, sir. I have to pass through. Let's season up there now. There's some fish seasoning on it. Nice. I can smell the onion. Hello boy. Real seasoning, you know, man. Yeah, man. Real natural seasoning. Sharp man have some nice, real natural seasoning right there. So I'm going to have the pepper in it. We see a bag of thyme, onion the right there, so scallion. Oh my god, crazy poison. Nah, it's natural seasoning no time. Sharp man, I get the seasoning them cut up and thing. Nice scallion, thyme, onion. Yeah man. Hot pepper. Scotchy, you know. Yes, man. I have a peas pot. The peas pot, you said it. Peas pot right there, so I spin people. Look at that. These are pressure down. Yeah man. Alright, so we have some oil in this or the pimento shot, man. Nice pimento go on here, so. How are we going at this? Oh god, so you don't know, so pimento in the pot go and burn. Yeah man, scallion over. Yo, I like the fact say you put the pimento in the oil. Yeah man.
Bring out the flavor.
Bring out the flavor. Nice. Nice, people, look at that, man. And that's for the curry pot. All of them scallion are going to curry. Well, the flavor I like.
Seize up.
Eh?
I'm not seize up from overnight now. Right away, I'm doing.
Right away.
I can't.
Yeah, man. You can't tell the difference.
Right.
You can't even know if I overnight or from last week or I just know.
Right.
Yeah, man. A lot of seasoning. Yes, man. Sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, onion. Beautiful hot pepper. Oh my god, people, look at that. Crazy for a good shot on it. Beautiful, the smell of that thyme, people. Oh my god. Yeah, curry are going out of the pot here now. Nice. Curry in the pot are burning the pimento. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes on the people. Lot of curry for the curry goat. Yes, man. Whoa, hey, the smell of this is normally the man. But smells so good already. Look at that, people. Everything in that, you know, I want so clean there in the oil. And the thing is, when you see sharp man use a lot of oil, it was a little bit of oil. Burn with the pimento. Yeah? Crazy vibes right there, people. Smell really good. Nothing that brightness up. Nice, beautiful. Every single piece of the meat I get a touch of the skelly and a touch of, hey. Whoa, hey, the smell of these people, wish you could have smell this right now. Beautiful vibe. Shot, man. Cover that up. Nice. Just like that. Cool on the pressure cooker, you know? This is the pressure cooker with the peas and people, so you don't know if I get some cool on, you know. We have pork right here, so soon ready to chop up and thing. Short one over here, so with some more scallion and thyme. Which part?
Rice and peas.
Alright, this is for the rice and peas. Crazy vibes and a lot of scallion. I use up just to the people, thyme, everything. Natural seasonings. Hey, I can smell the pimento in this, you know, people. Like it just have that unique smell, like crazy vibes, beautiful people.
It's rice and peas.
Scallion right now for the rice and peas. Nice, a scallion gone in at the rice pot, people. Look at that, so the peas already cooked short, man. Nice, a pimento in that, scallion, thyme in that. And we see two nice green pepper over there, so crazy vibe. This is going to be epic, people. Nice coconut milk going in the pot there. See where the Trenton right there, some people get cut up, you know, and this thing. Sorry for the people who don't eat pork, you know. Yeah, man, I meat, man, seasoning have to go on, you know, man. When seasoning go on any meat, you know, man. Sure, man, I cut up the pork, you know, people. Crazy vibes. Okay, the party of the pork chops. Okay. Nice. Okay, nice. But you basically get off the hardest part already. Yeah, because them place that piece of mostly flesh now. Okay. Nice. That's a pork too. Pure fat. Yeah man, you have some people just want the fat, some people just want just the skin part alone. And then they have another set where no lot no one. None of that are just the lean part alone you can give them. Yeah. Yes man. Real man. Nice pork chops. It's a pork chops right there, some people. Beautiful. It's a sharp man, pork done cut up and out. Nice, crazy, look at that. Beautiful chicken right here, people. And this is what, brown stew? Brown stew pork today. Nice piece of pork chops, leave out of all of that right there. So crazy, pretty. Nice pork. Yeah, man. You know, say I could look while I see one rice where when they are country when they're much younger, we used to see them enough, you know. Like, I have a cousin who sit down and all half hour straight, they are pick out, you know. We don't really have to see no rice like that again. Remember, we come far away with technology, you know, so, you understand? So, yeah, man. Yeah, man. True. Yes man, ice pot smelling look beautiful and smell beautiful. Yes man. Korea sauce come on, real nice. You gonna do what? Yeah? Yeah, more seasoning. Whoa. Yeah man, so it's 2 doses of seasoning to get. Crazy vibes, people. Crazy vibes right as a people have some seasoning gone for pork. Some nice look like it's like all purpose pork seasoning, browning down for the pork and you know. Some real natural seasoning that come choke on it soon. This is the scallion for the pork. Nice. All of this right here, see people are going to the pork pot. Nice hot pepper and scallion for the pork pot, people. Crazy vibes right here, you know. Nice, beautiful people. Look at that. Good. Ready up and season up here now. Yeah man, only thing left him now to greet him with some oil. Oh my god, beautiful right here people. Smell really good with all of them natural seasoning and thing, you know, crazy vibes. Getting out some of the thyme sticks and things because you don't know them, they don't season up the pot already, you know. And then you know when the consumers them a eat, you know want them a eat too much stick because them don't season up the pot already, man. Crazy, so we can get out some of them water vibe. Nice, crazy vibe, nice pot. Good. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes, a little oil gone in the pork pot, you know, you don't know that the pork itself carry its own fat and oil, you understand? So you don't need a bag of oil in there when you're cooking them thing here. Crazy vibes, pimento gone in a pot there. Yes man. Pimento make that one burn the oil and thing. Nice vibes. Chop man, just chop. Nice. Little bungle of thyme in the oil pot there right now with some pimento. Season up the oil and thing. Crazy vibes are one of the best things people, I tell you. Pimento in the oil of bun. Oil of whole season up. Yeah man.